Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to close a Revolut account. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your Revolut mobile application. Now once you are on the home page, you are going to see your profile icon in the top left hand corner. So you need to tap on your profile icon. Once done, you will be landed on this settings page where you are going to see a bunch of different settings like personal details, card controls, etc. But in the bottom, you will be able to see the option of close account. So you simply need to click on the close account option. Then you are going to see this type of pop-up in front of you where you will be asked, are you sure that you want to close your account? So you will have to click on the proceed button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then it will show you this prompt which says we are sorry to see you go. So over here you just have to click on the close account button in the bottom. Then you need to follow further on screen instructions in order to successfully close your account permanently. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.